Dr. Mohammed is asking, can N95 be reused?
Yeah.
Yes, N95 has to be reused in a country like India. We don't have a luxury of not using this respirator for a single time. Yeah, for reusing, how many times to reuse? One of our colleague has asked. We don't have a clear-cut idea how many times we need to use, but two or three things are there. In N95, there are small microfibers are there. So the more you use, the more efficient it becomes. It is not like it will become less efficient, because whenever the virus particles comes, there are 3 or 4 mechanisms by which the virus is obstructed. One is the mechanical thing. Second one is a stereotactic charging is there. There is diffraction, so that the virus will get engulfed. Not only the virus, but the other particles would get engulfed within these layers of N95. So what happens is, once we reuse it repeatedly, the chances of that there will be much more difficulty in breathing in and breathing out. That is the time when we should be actually changing it. Practically, there are 2 ways of using it. If we are having less number of N95 masks, there should be at least 2, so that the once we are using the first one, the second one we can denaturalize it by using a microwave method, which is well described, by steaming this outer surface of the N95 by keeping in a microwave for at least half an hour of time, which can be reused. The second method, which is advised, is by keeping the N95 mask aside without using for at least 4 days, either keeping within the sunlight or keeping aside and not using it. One thing that I suggested is using a Tupperware or a glass-based tiffin box, in which we have to take our N95 mask, cover it, write it, okay, this is mask number 1, and if it is placed on the sunlight, after 4 days it can be reused as the 5th one. These are the 2 practical ways how a smaller clinics or a smaller setup can be used. But in a bigger setup, UV sterilization can be done, or there are places wherein, as I discussed, H2O2 aerosol sterilization is being done. Depending upon the hospital policies, it has to be used. But in a smaller setup, either using 4 N95 masks by using the sunlight or keeping aside, or at least 2 N95 masks wherein a microwave can be used, in which by steam we can denaturalize the mask.